What we are going to do next is going back to the CMS Teachings folder. And after we have finished the index.php and the template details, you are going to make a full selection. Remember, right now and on this example, I am going to be using 7-zip. So after I make a full selection, right click, 7-zip, and add to CMS Teachings. The CMS Teachings name will come from the name of the folder. So there you are, cmsteachings.zip, and then we are going to log in again to our Joomla website. Right now, have in mind that I am working inside a Joomla website without any sample data. That's why you are not going to be able to see too much information in here. So let's go back in here and admin and login. Then you are going to go to extensions and extension manager. Inside here you are going to click on browse and select the cmsteachings.zip. Click open and upload and install. Now if for some reason you don't see the installing template was successful, well, I cannot really tell you what exactly you did wrong on your process. But what I can give you is the files so you can compare my files with your files. And you can click down below inside download CMS Teachings Template 1. And you are going to be able to get this CMS Teachings.zip. Then you are going to install that template. Now first of all, we are going to go to extensions and template manager. And if you notice, you are going to have now the new template, which will be CMS Teachings. You are going to go in here inside the star and click in there so you can make default that new template. Then if you go to templates, let me show you right now. If you remember, we create the template preview and the template thumbnail. This will be the template preview and this will be the template thumbnail. So if you analyze those files, you can go back in here and scroll down, and down here will be the template thumbnail, and if you click in there, you are going to be able to see the template preview. Again, we are going to be creating these files again when we finish the template. Right now we are going to click on view side so we can actually see what we have. Now this will be the old template, and if we go now, you are not going to be able to see anything. And why is that? Well, first of all, because we don't have any CSS style. And second of all is because we have the template modules positioned inside a different module. If you go back to extensions and then module manager, remember this template and the template that we are creating won't have the same template positions. Let me show you what I mean with that. Click on extensions and open the template manager on a new tab. Then inside here we are going to go to options so we can enable the template positions inside this template. Right there, click save and close, and then we are going to go in here, and remember to analyze the template positions you are going to write down interrogation mark TP equal 1 and click enter. As you can see, these are going to be all the template positions inside my website. And if you go back in here, if you analyze this template, believe me, you are going to have position 7, position 8, 9, and 10. And this template will have left of menu, social, logo, banner, and all of them are going to have positions with different names. Right now, let's go back in here and make the breadcrumbs. We are going to make the breadcrumbs to the position breadcrumbs. Let's click select position, and then inside select template we are going to select the new template, CMS Teachings in this case, and then click on breadcrumb. Click save and close. Then if you click view site again, this time because we changed the breadcrumb, you are going to be able to see the breadcrumb inside that position. Let me close these tabs in here, going back, and we are going to do the same with the main menu and login form. Let's click in there. The main menu in this case, you can actually click select position, or if you go back to the index.php, you are going to have, well, you are going to find that the name of that module will be main menu. So you can actually just write down in here main menu and then click save and close. Then we are going to click on login form, and the login form will be to the right. So we are going to name right in there and then click Save and Close. Now before leaving the module manager, we are going to create a new module. Let's click on menu because we are going to position this menu to the right. Let's call this right menu, and the position will be to the right there. Then the main menu in this case will be the only menu we have in here. Then let's click, well, let's analyze down here. The menu assignment will be inside all pages. So let's go back, click Save and Close, and we are going to refresh this website. Now as you can see, you are going to be able to see the main menu, the breadcrumbs, the right menu in here, and the login form all the way to the bottom. Next, we are going to publish an article. So we are going to go to content and we are going to build a new category. In here, we are going to give the name business and click Save and Close. Then we are going to go to Content, Article Manager, and add new article. On this example, we are going to give the title, My First Joomla Article. Then the category will be business, the category that we just create. And the text down here, we are just going to go to Libsyn.com and all the way down click on 5. Or you know what, let's click on 3 and generate Lorem Ipsum. Then we are going to go down, make a full selection from the text, right click, copy, going back to the administrator, right click and paste. In this case, if you don't see the paste button, you can click Ctrl V on your keyboard and there you are. Then we are going to click Save and Close. Finally, let's go to the menus and main menu. This will be the only main menu category that we are going to have inside the menu manager. We are going to modify the home link. Let's click in there, and in here we are going to click Select. Let's go and click on Single Article. Now you are going to select the new article. In this case, we only have one article, which will be my first Joomla article, the one that we just create, and then you are going to click Save and Close. Go back to the home page and refresh one more time. Now as you can see, you are going to be able to see all the components. And basically, if you remember this JDoc component in here, well, as you can see, the JDoc include with the type component will be the one pulling out the article. So if you go back, let's analyze this website that we have in here. Let's go to Extensions and Module Manager. First of all, we are going to have the main menu in here. Of course, this website won't have any CSS style. That's why you are not going to be able to see any layout. And you are going to have the breadcrumbs inside the breadcrumb position. Then you are going to have the main menu inside the main menu. Right menu and login form will be to the right position. So let's go back again. The home, this link will be the main menu, everything inside here. The URL here will be the breadcrumbs, and everything inside here will be the component. All these JDoc, the type component, will be pulling out the article, and that will be basically what this code it is going to do inside your Joomla website. Every time that you publish an article, you are going to be able to see the article in here. Then all the way down, you are going to have the right module position. So my friends, for this video, that will be it, and let's move on.